ఇప్పుడు నోట్స్
movie.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to continue with the same concept, that is network diagram, which we discussed in the last class. Right? So, but before that, few things. I just wanted to share. So yes. So about the internal component, I think I did not discuss the internal component until now, but in today's class, I'm going to discuss for the internal activities or the internal marks. There will be two different components. So internal marks. All right. So one of the component internal project is going to be the group project. This group project will be related to module 3. Okay, it's better if you make note of all these things. There will be a group project which is related to module 3. Okay. So like what you had in the first semester, the similar panel will be having another group project which will be related to module 3. All right. Now, what it is exactly about, possibly that we will discuss as we go on solving the problem. First, we'll try to understand what exactly network analysis is all about. And once we understand that, possibly then it would be easy for me to explain it, as well as easy for you to understand what exactly is expected from the correct. So this will keep it pending, but for now you just keep in mind that there will be a 20 marks group project. Okay, so this will be having, this will be for 20 marks. Now the second component is same individual handwritten assignment like what we had in the previous semester, but there is one difference in this. Okay, one difference in this, that is the previous semester you had considered 3 question papers, and that was collected from the library, and where you selected the questions and you solved it and you submit. But in this semester, there will be a slight change since we do not have access to the library right now, and even the faculty, for me, it is not accessible, and I do not know for how long I will not be able to access college library. So that is the reason. Instead of wasting the time, what I thought was like we can consider for each of the from each of the modules. Possibly you can select some 5 different questions. Okay, so 5 questions have to be not 5. Sorry, 6 questions have to be not 5, 6 questions. Yes. So 6 questions have to be solved from each module. From each module, and this can be now these 6 questions. It is complete. The students have the complete discretion to select the questions. Okay. Now it is up to the student to select the questions. Now it is minimum is 6. If you want, you can solve more than that also. So 6 questions into 5 modules, it will be around 30 questions. 30 questions. The 30 questions have to be there in your assignment. Okay. Now this is again handwritten, and the criteria which will be used for evaluation will be the same thing like what you had in the first semester. Okay. Criteria for evaluation. Criteria for evaluation, again the same thing. One is the neatness of the assignment, and next is concept understanding. So these two things, like how the assignment was evaluated in the previous semester by me, the same criteria are going to be used even in this semester. Okay. Now the source for from where you are going to solve the from where you are going to get the question papers, question, not question paper. Question papers are not required here. Source for collecting, solving the source for selecting questions are one is textbook. Okay, and one is the textbook, and the second one can be, you can use Google itself. Okay, so these two are the source for selecting the questions. So as and when the modules gets completed, you can use these two source and select some questions and start solving. Okay, so this is these are about, this is about the internal components. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So this will be for 10 marks and written assignment. Okay, so this will be evaluated for 10 marks. So is there any type of doubts? Is there any type of doubts? Any clarification required here? The group project will be the same. There will be no change in the group project.
Sir, we do not have the textbook, sir.
That I think some arrangement will be done. Let me just check it with the librarian.
Okay, sir.
See what can be done for the textbook. So, but
No.
once you get the textbook, definitely textbooks will be provided by some means.
Okay, sir.
Once that is being provided, you can start working on it. If it is not provided, we'll see what alternative. Another 15 days, we'll get to know. 10-15 days. So it's only a matter of 10 marks. So, but the textbook will be definitely provided by some means. Correct? Yes. Any question? Okay. I think there are no questions. If there are
Sir,
any, yes.
when we have to submit it, sir?
Yes, submission date, right. Submission date for both the assignment will be towards the end of the semester itself, like what you did the previous semester. The same type, the submission have to be done. Yes, possibly the this project 20 marks group project, whatever I said. If possible, we will just try to advance the submission date, because instead of keeping all the project towards the end of the semester, what will happen is you have 6 or 7 subjects now in the second semester, and all the project will be accumulated towards the end. So even it will be a burden for you. Possibly the submission date of the group project, I will let you know. Possibly it may be advanced by some 15 or 15 days before the last working day. Okay, 15 or 20 days before the last working day. But only thought behind this particular preponement of the submission date is only that let us not keep all the submission towards the end of the semester. We will try to complete it as soon as possible. Correct? Why? Because anyways, I don't think this time you will be having much of the association activities also. So students also possibly relatively they will be free compared to the last semester. So submission should not be any type of, and anyways, we will be completing this third module in another 10 or 15 classes. So possibly it will not take much time for completion of this module. So only the next question after completing this module is how long the group will be taking for submission. So let's see how it turns up, but definitely there will be some preponement in the submission date. Definitely it is not going to be towards the end of the semester. Handwritten assignment will be towards the end of the semester, but the group project, definitely there will be some advancement in the sense not much, but at least by 15-20 days before your last work. Correct? That's what I foresee. Okay, so if there are any questions, you can ask. I think one more. What about the presentation? Yes. So one more question is, what about the presentation? So definitely there will be a presentation scheduled for each of the group. A good question. I think the other class I missed out on telling this about the presentation. Definitely there will be the presentation once you have submitted the report. Each of the group will be asked to make presentation online through online mode itself, and the question will be asked. So specific time duration will be given for each of the group. Okay, so based on this, the marks will be allotted 20 marks, whatever is there for the project, that marks will be allotted. So this is basically the plan. Yes. So another question is, now it's not possible to go to the field and do the survey. So this subject is not about doing any type of a survey. The title is operations research. Okay. Now, currently we are starting with the third module. Now, third module doesn't require or operation research subject itself doesn't require you to go to the field and collect the information. That is the reason I have not given any type of information regarding this particular project. Okay, why? Because even if I tell it right now, you will not be able to understand. Correct. What you're supposed to do in the project, we'll discuss it once some 3 to 4 problems gets completed. So basically, until then, you'll not be able to get the clarity, and even I will not be able to explain you. So for now, you just keep aside the group project. But I can assure you that none of the group members may have to go to the field and collect the data. That much I can assure. So that data collection is not required. Only if the communication mode between the group members have to be maintained, correct? Either through telephone, or it can be through Google Meet, or any type of the communication mode. Through this communication mode, if you are on, so that is sufficient. Correct. Okay. Right. Okay. So is there any type of doubts? Okay, so if you have any doubts, even currently when we are discussing about the project, we'll discuss about the required clarification. Just go ahead right now. Okay. So this is about the internal components. So I think one component which you can start with is the second component, that is individual written assignment. Only thing is that you have to select some of the questions as and when I'm completing the problems in the online class. You can start selecting the problems from the internet sources also, and you can start solving instead of just waiting for 1 or 2 sources. You can start working on, correct? So that what will happen is towards the end of the semester, you will not be burdened with activities. So at least you have internet source. You make use of it and try to download some of the questions. And whichever questions you're comfortable with, you try to solve them and solve them handwritten mode and submit it towards the end of it. Right. So what I suggest is you start with the second assignment right now. Okay, so we'll start with the problem which we discussed yesterday. Possibly, I think we discussed project completion duration, but there were some doubts, correct? So what we'll do is we'll just go back and discuss the same problem. So can anyone just mention the activities, list of activities? Can anyone give the list of activities? For the last example which we solved, can anyone give the list of activities?
Organize sales office.
Organized sales office. I think only 2 activities. Yes. So first column was activity. Second column
Description.
description. We'll keep it towards the end so that we can adjust the space. Description of each of the activity. Correct. What are the different activities? 1-2. Next.
2-3.
2-3.
Correct.
3-4.
3-4.
4-5.
4-5. Correct. What is it?
3-7.
6.
3-6.
3-6. 3-6.
3.
3-6. Oh. Okay, 3-6. Okay, next.
6-7.
6-7. Okay. Next.
7-4.
7-4.
7-4. Any more activities?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. What about the durations?
6, 4,
6, 4.
4, 7, 3,
Yes. Next.
2, 4,
Next.
10.
2, 4, 10.
Okay. 2, 4. Description, I think I remember it. One was organizing sales office. Organize sales office. And next, hiring salesman.
Train salesman.
Yes, next is training the salesman, correct. Next, 4-5,
Sell the product.
the product, correct. Sell the product. Next, 3-6 was
Select advertise agency.
select advertise agency, correct. Next, 6-7 was
Campaign.
plan advertise campaign. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And finally, last activity. What was the 7-4 activity?
Conduct advertise campaign.
Conduct of
Correct. Conduct of advertise campaign. Okay. Conduct advertise campaign. That's right. Yes. So these are the different list of activities and these are the different durations which we have already seen in the previous class. So once this is done, so network diagram, I will draw the network diagram. So first network diagram is 1-2, 2-3. What is the next one? 3 dash.
4.
4.
Dash 4. What is the next activity?
4-5.
4-5. Next.
3-6.
3-6. 6-7. Correct.
7-4.
7-4. Usually, okay, 7-4. It's fine. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is basically the activity. And what was the duration? 1-2?
6. Yes, sir.
6. Next.
4.
Next.
7.
7.
Next.
3.
3.
Next. 3-6. 2.
2.
Next. 6-7.
4.
4. Next. 7-4. 10. Okay. So these are the different activity duration. Once this is done, possible paths right from the beginning until the end. What are the possible paths? So let us consider path 1. Path 1 means what? Right from the beginning until the end. Beginning node until the end, ending node. We have to formulate the path. So first path is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it right? This is the first path. Once this is done, correct? What we'll do is we'll formulate 3 different columns. Activity, and the next is the duration of each of the. Okay, so the path is path 1. We have path 1 as 1-2-3-. 1-2-3-, 4-5. Now we have to go on listing the activities. Why this is being done? Because I think the question was to determine the project completion duration. Is it right? You have to determine what is the total project duration. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. So that is the reason we have to do all these activities or do all these steps. So first, let us see what is the first activity. First activity is 1-2. Okay. The first activity, this particular path is 1-. Next activity is 2-3. Correct? Are you getting this? Similarly, 3-4 will be the next activity. And the last activity should be, what should be the last activity?
4-5.
4-5. Is it right? So 4-5 should be the last activity. Now, we have to determine the activity for each, we have to determine the duration for each of the activity. It is already given in the question. Is it right? What is the duration of 1-2?
6.
6. Next, 2-3.
4.
3-4.
7.
Last activity.
3.
So just sum total this.
20.
20. So the first path duration is 20. duration of path 1 is equal to 20 what days. Okay, so that means what does this actually mean is setting up of the sales office, hiring activity, training activity, and selling the products. If this is the complete chain of the activities, then it will take 20 days of duration completing this particular project. But in addition to that, there is another activity that is also taking place here. That is nothing but advertising the products. That actually includes setting up of the sales office, identifying the sales advertising agency, planning the campaign, and then executing it. And finally, the sales is going to be taken place. So that all activities is included in second path. Correct. So you can just make note of this. Once that is done, we'll just go for the second path and calculate the path duration of the second. You can start calculating the path duration for the second path. So here, if there is any doubts, you can stop and you can ask. So if there is any doubts, you can stop and ask. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. It
No,
has
sir.
any, okay. So if there yes, anyone has calculated the second path duration?
36.
36.
29. 29.
29.
29, sir.
29. I think 29 should be the answer. Let's see. Okay. So I think yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So second path, path 2. What is the second path? 1 dash
2,
2,
3,
3.
6.
Wait. Uh, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Next 6. Next
7,
7,
4, 5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. Yes. So instead of writing two different columns and then calculating the path duration, you can directly calculate it. These columns are not required. This is just for your understanding. So in the examination, if you directly write path duration, that is also sufficient. But since this is the first problem, we'll calculate it. But henceforth, we'll not calculate it. Okay. So duration. So first activity should be 1-2. What should be the next activity? Anyone? 2-3. Correct. Next
3
3-6.
dash
3-. Next
6-7.
correct. -7. Next
7-4.
4.
1-4. Correct.
4-5.
4-5. Yes, that's right. So what are the activity duration? Yes, activity durations are 1-2,
6.
6. Next
4.
Correct. Next.
2,
2. Next.
4,
4,
4. Next.
10,
10,
Last is
3,
the sum total and tell what is the
29.
sir.
total path duration. Uh, Total path duration is equal to 29 days. First one was 20 and the second one is 29. So we'll now head towards identifying the project completion duration. Project completion duration. So this was the question. Right. We have to identify the project completion duration is equal to maximum path duration. Here, here the project manager has to complete both of these tasks. That is identifying the yes, correct. So identifying both identifying the advertising agencies and determining the planning the advertising campaign and then selling the products, that also has to be completed, and along with that salesman hiring and training them. So both these activities are important for the project manager. So the project manager cannot skip either of these activities. Both has to be completed. So that is the reason project completion is considered as the maximum path duration. It's not the minimum one. Okay. So what is the maximum path duration, anyone? Maximum of 20 and 29.
29.
Correct. Maximum of 20 and 29 is 29 days. Okay. So this is the same for almost all the problems. Henceforth, you are going to calculate the project completion duration in this fashion. Okay. So this is about the project completion duration. For all the problems, we are calculating same way. All right. So possibly what we'll do is some time is left. Another 20 more minutes are remaining. What we can do is I will give a small problem. You are supposed to solve it. Okay. I hope this is understood. 29 days. Um, so just give me 2 minutes. I will just identify the problems that is related. So we'll go ahead and write this question. So the question is activity and duration, days. Okay. So 1-2, 2-4, 2-5, 2-, 3-5 and 4-5. Okay. And this is sufficient. So solve this. The durations are 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 5. Okay. So determine project completion duration. Okay, so this you are supposed to solve it by yourself. So description is not given. So you can consider this as the next example. Give it the next example number and start solving. So first you are supposed to draw the network, and then you are supposed to determine the project completion duration. So has anyone identified the total number of paths possible? How many?
Three, sir.
Yes, correct. That's right. 3 paths possible. And all the 3 paths gets diverged from node 2. They go to different directions
Yes, sir.
from node 2. Yes. So what are the different activities? First node is 1. And what is the next activity? What is the first activity is 1-2. That's right. Next.
2 to 3, sir.
2-3. 2-3. Correct. Next. Which is the next activity after 2-3?
2-5.
2-5. Correct. Next.
2-4.
4.
4 to 5.
4-5.
3 to 5.
3-5. Yes. What is the duration for 1-2?
3 days.
2-3.
3, sir.
3. Next. 2-5.
8.
Okay. Next 2-4.
7.
7.
7. 4-5.
5.
Okay. The last 3-5.
7.
7. Okay. So these are the different. This is the network diagram. Now, can you tell me the path? Path 1.
1, 2, 5.
1, 2, 5. Correct. Path 1 is 1, 2, 5. And what is the calculation here?
11 days.
7 days. Because we-
11.
correct.
days.
That's right. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11 days. Correct. Next. Path
1, 2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 4, 5. Correct. So 1-2 is how much?
3,
2-4.
7,
4-5.
5.
5. How much is the answer?
15 days.
15 days. Next, path 3.
1-2
Correct.
-3
Correct.
5
-2 is 3,
7
7, and 3-5 is
3. Oh, so 7.
that is also
3
7.
plus 3 plus 7.
3 plus 3 plus 7. Okay, that doesn't matter. Or else we will- Doesn't
13.
matter. That
13
doesn't
days.
matter. Yes, 13 days. So what should be the project completion duration?
15 days.
15 days.
So project completion duration is 15 days. Project completion duration is equal to maximum of 11, 15, 13, which is equal to 15. Okay. So 15 days it takes for the project manager to complete all these activities. So what we'll do is we'll just write one explanation as to why we are considering the maximum as the project completion duration. Okay. So possibly everyone are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think people who have responded in the chat box, their answers are also right. Maximum is 15. Maximum should be 15. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is done. Next, we'll go for the next one. So one explanation, we'll just make note of one explanation. All right. So for that, we require the previous problem. Correct. So in this example, we considered the maximum path duration as the project completion duration. Okay, this is because on the 15th day, on the 15th. On the 15th day. On 15th day, all the activities of the project can be finished. Can be finished. Okay, but if you would have considered the minimum time duration, then we would not be able to complete all the activities, but only few activities in the project we could have. Okay, that is the reason always for all the problems we consider the maximum time duration as the maximum path duration as the project completion duration. Okay, so just make note of this. And one last concept, one last definition we will write, and then we will conclude this particular class. So just make note of this. So not only for this problem, for almost all the problems, the same thing is done. Okay, so if this is done, one last definition we will write, and then we'll conclude. We have already seen what is critical path, but we have not named it as critical path. It is nothing but the longest path. The path with the wait, just a minute. Do not make note of it. I think it is the path with the longest path duration. It is the path that has the longest path duration. Okay, so in previous example, what is the critical path? Can anyone tell? In previous example, path is one dash two. Next,
Four
that
dash five.
1 dash 2, 2 dash 4, is it?
Yes.
Okay, 1 dash 2, 2 dash 4, 4 dash 5. Is it done? Correct? Is it right? Yes. So this has got the highest path duration. So this is called as critical path because this has got the highest path duration. Now the reason for calling this as the critical path is that by altering this path duration, the complete project completion duration gets varied. Okay, so just make note of one last statement. I think possibly I will write it here at the top. Okay, this is the continuation, or I will just write it in the next page. Okay, it is called as critical path. It's called as critical path because by altering the path duration of critical path, the project completion duration can be altered. The project completion duration can be altered. That is the reason it is called as a critical path. Is that right? So it is the path which has got the highest path duration. Okay. And by altering this particular path duration, we can really alter the complete project completion duration. So this is the reason it is called as critical path. So this is about today's topic. You can just note of all this. Yes, class here can just circulate the list of absentees after this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Those who have already completed writing this, they can leave.